A mild earthquake measuring 3.6 on the Richter scale struck Bishnupur District in Manipur early Friday morning, as reported by the National Center for Seismology (NCS). The tremor, which occurred at 4:42 a.m., was centered in the Bishnupur region at a depth of 10 kilometers. The NCS provided the details in a post on X stating EQ of magnitude 3.6 on 22nd November 2024, 4:42 IST, latitude 24.64 north, longitude 93.83 east, depth 10 km, location Bishnupur, Manipur. However, there were no reports of casualties or property damage from the earthquake. Further updates on the incident are still awaited. Manipur, situated in a seismically active zone, experiences such tremors quite often. In August, a 3.1 magnitude earthquake had shaken the Imphal East district, recorded at 8:11 a.m. on August 6. The tremor also originated at the depth of 10 kilometers.